The road feels familiar. The nerves do too. Different here, same excitement walking in. The same names being called out. The same reactions when they finally meet. Some rooms are brand new. Some are still the same. Same room numbers, same roommate. The same games still taken just as seriously. For all the familiar faces, a new meeting point. Same jokes now with better punchlines. Years change. Some things don't. Same place, same feeling. Hostel Day Celebration 2025, IIT Bombay.